Can someone say genius? Raymond Dalio is an American billionaire investor and hedge fund manager. He serves as the co-founder of the world's largest hedge fund, Bridgewater Associates. Now, if there is anyone to learn about stocks from, this is the guy. Wait, just a second. How did we get here so quickly? The stock market, to put it plainly as previously mentioned, is where investors buy and sell the shares of companies. It's a set of exchanges where companies issue shares and other securities for trading. Now, as freedom seekers, we encourage everyone to invest, and we know the stock is just one way to make your money work for you. We love real estate and made a video on that, so click to see that one after. For now, wouldn't it be nice to retire with stocks and just watch your money grow? Not only are you making money, but you're making it in your sleep. I mean, who wouldn't want that? So just sit back and we'll tell you who we recommend keeping an eye on if you want to learn about the stock market. Ray Dalio. Can someone say genius? Raymond Dalio is an American billionaire investor and hedge fund manager. He serves as the co-founder of the world's largest hedge fund, Bridgewater Associates. Now, if there is anyone to learn about stocks from, this is the guy. Bridgewater Associates has about $154 billion worth of assets under management. Dalio has written many books about his life, work, and path to success. In 2017, Dalio published a book called Principles, Life and Work, that details his life, work and relationships and how he achieved it all. We recommend reading his books on the stock market, but also reading into his life and gaining some of that wisdom. His strategies on the stock market have made us quite a bit of money. This man's strategy is based on diversifying portfolios, and, of course, if you've been with us for a while, you'd know that we mentioned this nugget as well. But it doesn't stop there, because equally as dominant is this guy. Peter Lynch. Peter Lynch is an American investor, mutual fund manager, and philanthropist. He is one of the most successful investors of all time. Lynch is the former manager of the Magellan Fund at the investment brokerage Fidelity. He took over the fund at 33 years old and ran it for 13 years. But guess what, freedom seeker? Peter Lynch retired at the age of 46 years old. Not bad. Here's what we learned from Lynch. He believes that individual investors can perform well by investing in what they know and by getting to know a company, its business model, and its fundamentals. Now, if that sounds familiar, it's because we've said it before, and that's the benefit of sound advice. But if you're getting some value from this, freedom seekers, could you do us a favour and stroke that like button for the YouTube algorithm? The data shows us that when we ask, you're likely to press the button, so we'll ask away. Better yet, if just 3% of you watching this video press the like button, we'll be so happy because it'll move us from our normal 2% of viewers. That difference in the YouTube world is gigantic. Anyway, we still have one more mentor to talk about. Warren Buffett. Known as the Oracle of Omaha, Warren Buffett is one of the most successful investors in the world. Buffett owns Berkshire Hathaway, which owns more than 60 companies. You may even know a few: Duracell, Geico, and restaurant chain Dairy Queen. As the world's fifth wealthiest person, his net worth is a whopping $113 billion. Fun fact, Warren Buffett started investing at the age of 11 years old and first filed taxes at 13. Now that's pretty early by most standards, but it just shows you that he's seen a lot in the market, and during this pandemic, he's one of the few investors on Wall Street that are making money. We know you'll look more into each of these, but here's a sneak peek of who he is. In his wise words, go and invest and then observe the stock market over time to see if you should buy more of the company stock or sell it. There is no better way to succeed than to try, freedom seekers. Now, we're almost at the end of another video. If you learned something from this video, type free in the comment section below. But for the true freedom seekers, we'll always deliver on a little bit extra. YouTube University. As mentioned before, YouTube is a great learning platform. You're watching this video, right? We guarantee that there are many people to learn from, especially if you're looking for someone more relatable to you or looking for somebody at your level of investing. Whether you're starting out, intermediate, or looking to expand your investments some more, just type in the search engine what you're looking for specifically and explore the results. We guarantee that you'll find a mentor just for you. Always remember, the best mentors show proof of what they're doing and can back up what they talk about with facts or experience. We recommend only learning from these types. Remember this, and you'll definitely be on your way from there. Comment the names of your favourite stock market mentor on YouTube to share the wisdom. And that's a wrap. See you in our next video. Here's a video we thought you'd enjoy. Click on it now to watch.